guys, and welcome to another video. And today we are playing with fidget spinners, and I'm also here with my brother. So yeah, we should tell you some very important stuff first. That fidget spinners can be very dangerous if they have razor blades or something.
They have points like these, but it's way bigger.
Yeah, it could be very dangerous.
So don't.
And that's why cops are arresting people for fidget spinners. So anyway, you should not bring fidget spinners to school because teachers get mad over it. I don't know why, but they're just like, no. So anyway, yeah. So let's start playing with the fidget spinners, and I'm also at my messy desk. Okay, so let's start playing with fidget spinners, and it's hard to play fidget spinners with one hand.
And I also have my own fidget spinner right here.
Yeah, so I'm gonna show you my fidget spinner. It's this one, and this one, and this one are my fidget spinners.
This one, and these are mine. And yeah, I have mine right here in the box. Even though it says Pokemon Trading Cards. I do have them, but it's in the other box.
Oh crap, my finger got in the way.
So now let's start playing. I could do with Murphy for a long time.
Ariane, I don't know if you should do that.
Why?
Some people could get a different message. So yeah, let's start playing with fidget spinners. This is gonna be very tricky with one hand.
I could also maybe... I switched it.
Let's try playing fidget. Let's try to make all the spinners spin.
And like and subscribe if you like fidget spinners. And comment down what is your favorite fidget spinner. My favorite is this one. From Annie, not from our Annie. Or it could be this one. I like these two. No, I like these three. Erase, yeah?
Try to make it so they're all spinning. Perfect.
Let's see who wins.
Which fidget spinner spins the longest? I think this one.
I think this one. And also, guys, comment down what videos we should do.
Yeah, because I'm running out of ideas.
We do Minecraft. I don't know.
Yeah, we did a Minecraft episode, so maybe we should do like part 2.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Wait, yeah, I'm pretty sure this one spins the longest. And I'm pretty sure I spun this one with one hand, and I did it first. Yep, this one spins the longest.
That looks like fun. Emily Elizabeth Howard has graciously volunteered. Please step into the fun.
And
Ariane, can you try to stack the fidget spinners?
we're spinning them.
Yeah. I can try here. Hold the camera.
Okay. And also, guys, if you want us to do more fish spinners, like it up and comment what should we do with fish spinners.
Yeah, but we're not gonna risk our fidget spinners. These things cost
A lot. And
also, be aware that if you buy fidget spinner at some websites, you can be scammed.
yeah,
I forgot where I put the key.
Amazon and eBay, you're not scammed.
How do you know?
Cause our dad got it.
But what if it was just a special website?
And look, we have a Minecraft Steve with diamond armor right here. Our mom made it. And right here we have a Minecraft.
Like a
thing.
boss.
My brother got it. Where?
I forgot.
Well, he forgot. So.
Oh wait, I'm pretty sure it was at school.
Yeah, because somebody gave you a poster. And we have more posters over there. Hold it. I want to get Alex.
I'm sorry for the bad recording. I'm bad at this, sorry. Oh yeah, fidget spinners. And I don't know what to do now, so these are our fidget spinners, so yeah. Well, I guess I'll be seeing you in the next episode because I'm bored. Fidget spinners are so satisfying. What happens if I'm gonna try to connect all the fidget spinners. Whoa. New view. Fidget spinners. Look, they're all spinning. Just add this one. So satisfying. Yeah, so yeah. Oh crap, I got your armpit.
Start doing some trick shots.
I got your armpit. This video is starting to get kind of long, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace.